So here I am, just down by the waterfront by Toronto. You can see it there in the background. Pretty quiet. A lot of people obviously staying home for COVID-19. Just gonna walk you into the van. You see you've got the bus style doors and then the ramp out the side. That can be electronic, such as this one, or manual is another option. Just take you inside. You've got the track system to give you ultimate flexibility with seating and wheelchairs. And you've got a few seats in the back. You could add another one or two depending on how many wheelchairs you're taking. I'm just gonna turn around here and you can see the ramp there, and then that's the driver and passenger seat. So pretty nice little van, not too much bigger surprisingly than a Dodge Grand Caravan on the outside, but as you can see, a lot more usable space inside.